How to log in into your QuickBook account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your QuickBook account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to do is open up your web browser and simply search for QuickBooks. After you search for QuickBooks, you will see this website right here. Open this up. After you open up the website, you will find different options on the top. So here on the top left, you'll find the login option. Tap on the login option, and now there will be two options. One is to QuickBooks Online, the other is to QuickBooks Online Accountant. Now choose whichever is more suitable for you. I'll just choose the QuickBooks Online, and after you do that, you'll get the option to log in. Now here, simply type in your email address and then your phone number. Just use the credentials that you used while you created the account and then tap on sign in and then simply type in your password and then you'll get logged in into your QuickBooks account. And it's that simple guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.